This is Channel 2 News, coverage you can count on.
It's a bump on a long, long road to becoming part of the American dream.
That's how local immigration advocates characterized yesterday's federal court ruling on President Obama's executive action on immigration, how proponents of the ruling are reacting, and how Nevadans are impacted. It all tops Channel 2 News at 5:30. Okay, this comes on the heels of last night's federal court decision. A judge in Texas granted a preliminary injunction against President Obama's executive order. This was to protect illegal immigrants from deportation. Good evening. I'm Kristen Remington.
I'm Wendy DeMonte. Thank you for joining us tonight. Now, 26 states, including Nevada, had joined the lawsuit to stop the executive order that would have offered illegal immigrants protection from being deported. It would also issue work permits to as many as 5 million undocumented workers and was set to begin to take effect tomorrow. Today, President Obama said his administration will appeal the order. Erin Breen looked into how that ruling could affect Nevadans. She joins us now from the newsroom with the details. Erin?
Well, Wendy, Kristen, there are an estimated 145,000 undocumented immigrants here in the state of Nevada. More than 50,000 of those would be eligible for that deferred action program that this ruling impacts. Immigration advocates in the area say they're disappointed, but they're not defeated. Immigration has been a hot topic nationwide with a lot of rallies like this one in Reno in July of 2013. And a ruling slowing down the process toward permanent residency isn't stopping those involved from moving forward. They say those already in the pipeline for the program here should continue on their path. This ruling, however, could impact those in the proposed expansion of the program that was set to begin tomorrow.
It will affect people with the expanded deferred action for childhood arrivals, and it will affect their parents who are eligible to have authorization to work here under administrative relief that Obama announced last year.
That's an estimated 53,000 Nevadans. We talked with one young man today who was brought here as an infant and lives in the shadows to avoid deportation.
Made a life here in America. I don't know why I would be forced to go back to Mexico if I know American customs only. I got all my brothers are here in America with me. You know, they're all legal, but not me. So I have to leave them, and it'd be hard to leave my family as they are here in America.
But today's ruling leaves millions in limbo as the issue makes its way through the legal system. Nevada's newly elected Attorney General Adam Laxalt added Nevada to the list of 26 states in that Texas suit. He wasn't available for interviews today, but in a statement he released late this afternoon, he said, quote, "This injunction will halt the executive action and allow for the judiciary to carefully evaluate the legality of President Obama's unilateral act. As I've always insisted, this lawsuit is ultimately about the rule of law, not immigration." Still, those fighting to continue with the president's plan are confident this is just a bump in the road.
It is going before the Fifth Circuit, and we fully expect the Fifth Circuit to overturn this.
As I said, that ruling will be appealed to the Fifth Circuit Court. That is in New Orleans. We'll tell you what happens there. Covering the big story, Erin Breen, Channel 2 News.